Hello everyone! So today in this vlog, I'm going to show you how to use chopstick properly. Hello everyone! So today in this vlog, I'm going to show you how to use chopstick properly. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notifications every time I have new video. Thank you!
A few moments
Okay
later.
guys, these chopsticks are made specially for beginners. And it's available in any store in Japan. Okay, let me show you how to use chopstick properly. Keep watching! So guys, this is how it looks, and in the box we have 3 instructions to how to use it properly. This one. Okay. But it was written in Japanese, so I will translate it for you in English. Okay, let's start. Okay, step 1. Gently put your fingers on each ring. Put your fingers. Okay. At first, you can use only the movements of the point finger or index finger. Okay. Step 2. Once you have learned it, some extent practice putting your ring finger on the part marked with star, which is this one. Okay. Step 3. Practice by removing the silicone, index, and middle finger rings. Practice gradually with regular chopsticks. If this seems difficult, go back to step 2 and practice again. So guys, I will show you how to use the real chopsticks. Okay? So okay guys, I have here the real chopstick without silicone, and I will show you how to use it properly. And by the way, I got this cute penguin chopstick in Daiso. Okay. So we have here extra almond, and I will show you guys. That's how you use the hashi. So I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. And please don't forget to watch my previous videos. And please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye bye.